Time news this evening. Changing of the guard. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris sworn in as US President and Vice President. Savage journey. TVJ News travels alternative route in Gordontown. And Walker's place of safety 3 years after the deadly blaze. Part 2 of a TVJ News special feature.
Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on today's inauguration of Joe Biden and Kamala Harris?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.